doing something so big that improves the lives of others. Have you ever thought about moving mountains?
I wanted to do something different with the boys and our faculty staff to really touch on what Dr. King stood for, and the one word that always comes to mind is community. I think for the young men to understand that his message rings loud and it should resound and embrace you in all of its power and what he stood for to living that dream.
Far too many of us have stopped dreaming.
Leadership is your own unique gift that the world's in need of.
Pebble by pebble, you can move a mountain. So do it at your pace, but do it well and do it with all your heart.
D, do your work. R, read and read and read and read and read some more. E, excel. A, achieve, and M, make history.
The same glass ceilings that MLK had, they don't.
The time is always right to run to him.
To me, it's just a celebration of love, community service, and moving forward as leaders, as one in the community, one Landon.